these are Cuisenaire rods. We can use them in a variety of ways to work with concepts in mathematics. Because they relate to each other in length and they have no markings on them, we can assign different values to them that we want. This makes it great to work with them with fractions. In this case, what we want to do is we're going to use them to explore subtracting two fractions that have related denominators. So I'm going to show you the expression that I want us to work with. Here we have 5/6 subtract 1/3. What we're going to do is use some grid paper to help us with this. So I've already been exploring with my rods, and I know that this rod will work well to represent 6. I can represent 5/6 this way, but I know that I'm going to be subtracting. So I'm thinking I want a different rod to use. When I take these small white rods, I know that they're great at representing 6ths. Each one of these is 1/6. Now, I need to think about thirds. So I'm going to look at the relationship of some other rods that would show thirds. And when I take these 3 rods and I put them together, each one is 1/3 of the green rod. So now I know that if I take a look at this and I think about 6, 2 out of the 6 is the same as 1/3. So I can write that down. And I can rewrite the expression with that equivalent fraction. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my white rods, and I'm going to keep this size in mind, and I need 5/6. So there's my 5/6. Now, I need to remove 1/3, which would be that length, or 2/6. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove 1/6, 2/6. And what I have left is my difference, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. And so 3/6 is my answer. But I notice that 3/6 is the same as 1/2. So here's a way in which we can use Cuisenaire rods in order to subtract fractions with related denominators.